This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I am the Old Guy. Hold on one second. My throat's kind of dry because I am so damn tired, and I've been working about 12 hours today, that I have made this video not once, but twice. The first time I forgot to put my headphones on, so the microphone didn't pick anything up. The second time the program didn't work and it didn't turn on, so I wasn't recording anything. So this is the third time I've done this video, and it's getting shorter every time I do it because I'm just rambling. But today went very, very well. I've got all the floor ripped up in the living room and the hallway, or the bulk of it anyway. There's one little spot in the hallway where we still have a couch, and we're going to move that tomorrow and I'll rip that up. So we're going to get the floor hopefully tomorrow. We'll start putting that in as soon as we get the walls and ceiling taken care of. If we even paint the walls, thinking about not painting the walls because it actually looks pretty good. But we got that done. A lot of stuff cleaned out of the trailer today. The furnace has been all upgraded and updated and whatever. Well, actually, it's been cleaned. And the OG in training, Zane, he went through the whole thing and said it's top notch, perfect. He'd have it in his house. That was his words. I'd use this in my house. So that's awesome. He got that taken care of. Tomorrow, we had a problem with the sink. That was one of these surprise things, and it's the only surprise so far, is that there was trouble with the sink, and I was going to have to buy new fixtures. And then we found a brand new Delta faucet and fixtures that were under the sink, and they're brand new. Somebody had planned on fixing this, so great. What a bonus. And also, there was an ice maker in there for the refrigerator, so we can get that plumbed in, and we're going to have an ice maker in there. So whoever buys the trailer, they're going to get a free ice maker. So that's kind of nice. But everything's going very well. Didn't get any photos today. Didn't get any video footage. I had some, but it was really boring, so I didn't use it. But we're going to put the GoPro and at least one other camera back in there tomorrow. And I had said before on the other video that I learned a long time ago, I learned if you need one person to do a job, you hire three. If you're going to do it for several days, because there'll be times where that one person can't come in. Well, another one can, or another one can. So I hired three. Somehow, tomorrow morning, I have 4 people showing up. I hired 3, but I got 4 people confirming they'll be there tomorrow. Plus the real estate guy. He's going to be there too. So 5 altogether. What had happened was one of the people I hired, she called me and said, look, I got a friend who's going to be home all alone tomorrow and doesn't want to do it, doesn't have anything to do, and she wants to visit with me, so can she come over and help, and you don't have to pay her? I said, you should have started with don't have to pay her. That's fine. Yeah, she can come over here, as long as she does some work and doesn't keep you from doing your work. Absolutely. So, excuse me, not Corona. So I wanted one person, and I've got 4 people coming over in the crew, plus the real estate guy, who is actually Kevin Belrose, my friend who had me build the bench and the cornhole boards and had me put the floors in his house. All around great guy. He's also a former real estate agent, and with mobile homes, you don't have to have a real estate license to sell them. Selling a mobile home is kind of like selling a car. It even has a title, like a car. And if your mobile home in this state, if it's more than 20 years old, you don't even need the title, just a bill of sale. So it's kind of like a car. And Kevin has graciously offered to help me. Of course, he is going to get a commission, but he's offered to help me sell this. Says he's confident he can sell it fairly quickly, and he has resources to do this and the advertising ability and that sort of thing. So that's awesome. So in total, 5 people tomorrow. We should be able to knock this thing out in no time. My original schedule was 2 weeks. I really think I can do this in 1. I hope I didn't just jinx it, but I really think I can. And as far as the budget's concerned, we had a certain amount for the budget. We don't have all the budget. We got about half, and or maybe a little better than half. But going through everything I went through today, and the fact that we found some stuff, we've got some materials that I can reuse, I think we can go under budget. So I think we can go under time, 1 week instead of 2, and a lot less money, about half of the money that we thought we were going to spend. Again, I hope I did not just jinx that, but it looks really, really good right now. So the only surprises we had was the sink, and the shed was kind of a surprise too, that somebody would side it with, MDF, which is medium density fiberboard, which is a kind of a thick cardboard, basically. But we're going to take care of that. But I'm really hopeful. I think this is great. This is what I'm doing tonight. I'm just doing this video tonight, and it's actually tomorrow morning that we're going to be working again. So I'm going to add that footage to this. And so, hey, let's magically head over to the trailer, and we'll see if we can't get this thing done. Come on, let's go. Well, here we are. Let's see if we can make this not blink out like that again. Oh, look at that. Well, here I am at the mobile home. I've had a couple of people here already today. They're out doing their stuff, and I got more people showing up. And I've got a GoPro up, and we'll show the traffic coming in and out. It'll be kind of nice, and just give you an idea of what we're doing here. And I'm just going to let it roll. That's it. And I'll introduce you to some of the people too. So we only have 2 cameras here today, but that's decent. It's going to be an adventure. All right. It's just me and Jordan here right now. So hi, Jordan.
Hey.
You might remember him from the MacBook Pro video that we did a while back, and he forgot to mention the YouTube channel, but that's okay. Jordan, you're painting.
I'm painting.
He's doing a good job too. He's got the tough task of trying to cover up these dark ass walls. So, all right, I'll leave you alone because I'm paying you. Get back to work, Jordan. The nice thing about Jordan is he owns a drone, and he's going to do a flyby later on, so you can see the outside, the top, and everything of the trailer, how it looks now, and how it's going to look when we're all done. Floors are coming along. I mean, we've got all the flooring out. This couch and chair, that's going to be gone tomorrow. And as soon as we get the ceiling painted, which Jordan is going to be taking care of most of that, then we'll be able to put the floor in here. That'll be nice. We've got some sink parts coming. Got the table saw all set up, and I'm getting ready to do my thing with this. We're actually going to put a fixture. I'm going to make a fixture that goes up there. It'll have some lights on it, and maybe even a wine rack, something like that. That'd be kind of cool. And then down here, of course, there will be a little bar so that people can sit and talk to the person in the kitchen. And it'll still keep this all nice and open. It'll look good. I'm going to get started on taking all of these cupboard doors off, and they're all going to be painted. Then the frame's going to be painted, and the closet doors will be painted, and it's going to look great. All right. Well, it's a lot quieter here now. Everybody's left. I did not get to do much video today. You got to see Jordan a little bit. But the other people that were here, they were here, and you can tell by all the work that's been done. Well, probably doesn't translate real well on the video, but this is a hell of a lot cleaner than it was. One of the people that's working for me, she works for a company that cleans up houses from smoke damage and fire and that sort of thing, and she did an outstanding job. And these are most of the cupboard doors. We were going to paint them, but she did such a good job redoing them that they look pretty damn nice. So we don't have to paint. That's pretty good. As you can see, I got my trusty old table saw. There's my sawhorses. And we're going to get these all cleaned up tomorrow. And the insides are going to be painted probably on Monday.
Depends on how much Jordan can get done. I think he can get it all done. We've got pretty much what we need for the sink to take care of that. The floor is out, and I've already started the carpentry for this piece up here, which I'm not going to say too much about because I want to surprise you when it's all in. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Still got the ceiling fan in here. We're going to take that out, but I'm leaving it in for now because it makes the room nice and cool. We've got most of the plates removed. Door is off here. This is what used to be the orange room. There's just a hint of orange coming through the primer. This is 2 coats of primer. I think we need one more. The ceiling's all finished. One more coat of primer, and then Jordan's going to paint this room, and it's going to look beautiful. It's going to look really, really nice. And he's also going to paint the inside of the closet as well. And then put back the door. The bathroom, we won't talk about the bathroom yet. Now what I had Jordan do today is just do the tops here, around here, and the ceiling. And let's turn on some light. And the ceiling came out beautiful. He did a great job. A great job. It looks really, really nice. We're testing this out here. This is about 5 coats of Kills on the wall, and it's just now starting to cover the black. But we got a pretty good deal on Kills. So instead of doing the wallpaper that I thought about doing, I think we may go ahead and do more of the Kills on here and see if maybe we can just paint this. But again, Jordan's doing a really good job. We have to get in here at some point and take care of that closet and the water tank, but he's done a pretty good job. There's a couple places we have to clean up some paint on the floor, but we're going to save this floor. We do not have to replace it, which is great. And again, took the door off. Oh, let's go back here and turn the light off. There. I can edit that. And at some point, Jordan will take care of this. He actually does the ceilings extremely quick. Very fast. I was really surprised. He does it faster than I can do it. So, and he does a great job. So I'm going to have him do all the ceilings. Like I said, we got a good deal on Kills. It doesn't cost as much. So that's nice. And that'll be all taken care of. And we might as well just have him paint the walls after all. I don't know. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff done. The thing that's in our way is this couch and chair. I've been told that that's going to be taken out of here tomorrow. I certainly hope so. So that's going to do it on day 1 or day 2. This is day 2. Yeah, it's going to do it on day 2. Let's take a look outside and see what we can see. Have not done anything out here. Tomorrow, I have a friend that's coming over, and he's going to bring his brush cutter and take care of all this. We're going to just clean this all out, clean that all out over here. So that'll look nice. Plus, the next door neighbors, or people across the street, did a bunch of nice landscaping today at their place, and it looks so nice. I talked to her, and we may be able to convince her to come in over here and do a little bit for us, just to give it a little more curb appeal. We're going to take care of these flowers and stuff here and just leave this bush tomorrow. And then we'll be able to straighten out the deck, and hopefully I'll be able to get under the trailer tomorrow and pick up that corner. And wow, it's looking good. So that's pretty much it. We've got quite a bit done today. Let's see if I can get, oh, it's kind of of short. And speaking of short, we had a guest here today. Like I said before, I hired a certain amount of people to come here, and we actually had more people show up. There was a friend of one of the people that's working for me, and she's very short. I kept losing her. She's like 4'11", and she's delightful. She's my little person, and she did a great job helping with cleaning all the cabinet doors and everything. She did that too. So it was nice. It was nice having everybody here. We've got a few more people coming in tomorrow, and then Monday it starts all over again with a full crew, or mostly a full crew. So it's coming along. And quickly, this over here, might as well show you this. This is going to be the frame for what I'm building over there, where that place in the ceiling is all nasty. This is going to be the frame for that. So see if you can figure out what I'm doing. It's going to be pretty nice. I'm going to try to get that together, well, within the next few minutes. So hopefully I'll have some more information for you on the next video. So that's going to do it, and I'm tired. Let's go back home. Let's head to the trailer hood.
We are back in the trailer hood, and it's been a long day. I put about 12 hours in today, 12 hours yesterday. So 2 days, 24 hours. Well, you know, I can do that for a while. I won't be able to do that for the whole 2 weeks, but, you know, we do what we can when we can. So we didn't get to see a whole lot of people in here, just me and Jordan for the most part. People really were there, but we put up the GoPro. It didn't really pick anybody up, and the little girl that was there, the little person, she's not really a little person. I mean, she's 4'11". I couldn't find her half the time. She was gone. She was so small. And she did a great job. So good, in fact. We're going to have her back, and this time I'm going to pay her. She's not a volunteer. I'm actually going to pay her to do some more work, because she did a wonderful job. She will not be painting the ceilings, but she can paint all the cupboards. I mean, they're low, so she did a great job. Everybody did a great job today. Jordan did a wonderful job on the ceilings. The walls are coming along. The kills in the orange room and the black room, I think it's going to work out. In the orange room, it's going to work out very well. It's almost completely covered, and that looks pretty good. So, you know, we'll be back at it again tomorrow. Frank, whatever his name is, he's going to be back on Monday and doing some more painting. But tomorrow I have another friend of mine coming over to take care of the outside brush that we want to get rid of. And then, of course, I've got... I've got, who have I got? I've got Miranda coming in, and possibly the short girl whose name I can't remember right now. And I'll be there. I'm not sure if Zane's going to show up. I don't think he's coming tomorrow, but I think he's going to be coming at another time. I hope he is anyway. And I don't know who else, but I'll be there, and I did finish up the frame for that project I'm doing in the living room, so the first part of the frame anyway, so I'll give you a look at that tomorrow. So we've taken care of day 2 of the trailer flip, and it's looking good. It's very encouraging, and we'll have more for you tomorrow. I'm going to try to get more of the people, you know, on these videos, because I'm sure you'd rather see Miranda and her friend rather than see me, because they're a lot cuter than I am. And hopefully we'll have that for you tomorrow. So enjoy your Sunday and just have a wonderful day. I'm going to try to do the same, and I'll see you back here the next time. Okay? That's it for me, the old guy, the OG. I'm out.